Supratec GmbH delivers fine bubble aeration technology for a wide range of applications. These products are primarily used for supplying oxygen to the biological processes in wastewater treatment. Microorganisms in the aeration basin clean wastewater inputs of organic contaminants and nitrogen compounds by means of their metabolism. Large quantities of oxygen are needed for this. For this reason, compressed air is introduced into the aeration basin in the form of fine bubbles. The oxygen content dissolves into the wastewater and is available for use by the microorganisms. Proper dimensioning and an optimized pipeline installation with regard to the subsequent positioning of the aerator are just as important as the aeration element itself. Compressed air is supplied by means of downpipes to the basin floor, and from there via main and secondary distributors to the pipes and aerators. All pipe supports are height adjustable to provide for leveling of the pipeline system with a laser device prior to aerator installation. The max allowable height variance is plus or minus 10 millimeters. The aerators can now be installed at the designated locations. For this, the respective aerator-specific installation instructions should be followed. The clearance between the aeration grid and the aerator will vary depending on the aerator model, the type of piping, and the dimensioning. All aerators must be installed with utmost care. Following installation and prior to operating the basin with wastewater, a check should be made of the seals and a trial run of at least 60 hours in duration should be performed. Once all aerators are installed and checked, the basin should be cleaned and filled with drinking water. A seal check should be made by trained personnel with the water level approximately 5 to 10 centimeters above the aerator. The airflow volumes to be set during inspection can be determined from the specifications in the operating manual for the respective aerator model installed. Each individual aerator and each individual connecting point must be carefully examined. Only the trained eye will be able to detect all leaks. Every leak must be rectified. Defective or damaged parts must be replaced. The basin can be filled with more drinking water once the overall installation has been checked. A trial run should be performed of at least 60 hours in duration at standard airflow volumes and with a minimum water covering of at least 100 centimeters. If this trial run is completed without problems, water can then be filled to the operating level. If necessary, an aeration test can now be performed. All Oxyflex series diffusers and Permox series membrane diffusers can be operated intermittently. This means that the air can be shut off and remain shut off at the user's discretion. For lengthy periods of downtime, agitation devices, for example, should be used to prevent deposits from settling on the floor. Supratec GmbH, state-of-the-art aeration technology, worldwide.